What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Saivon and this is my beautiful girlfriend, Roanne. Today we're going to be doing an apartment update and also a life update. It's going to be a quick video. So we're just going to talk about what we did in the 3rd and 4th months and also the things that we got for the apartment. One of the first things that we needed for the apartment was a TV stand, even though our TV is already mounted on the wall, but we wanted a TV stand to make everything else like a console or like plants or anything, just to make it look more like it's a home and not just like a storage unit. So a TV stand really made the apartment feel like home. We'll be showing you guys in the next few clips what our TV stand looks like and how we built it, and then what it looks like after. The TV stand is from All Modern. If you go on All Modern and you like modern kind of furniture, they have perfect things for the apartment or home.
It took us like 2 days to build. The first day it was just me and Saivon setting it up, and it took us a while. We felt confident about it, but then we got to a step where it was like it kind of just messed us up and we didn't want to do it anymore. So my sister and her fiance helped us finish the rest, and it looks good.
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much, because like we were getting frustrated. We're like totally over it. I think we did we mess up? Like we had to redo it.
We did one step wrong, but I don't know. Like some directions are really like good, some aren't the best.
Yeah, it's like really overthinking it and have to figure it out. It's like, it's not like clear cut sometimes when you're looking at directions when you're building something. So it gets really frustrating if you don't have a lot of patience with that.
I think we yelled at each other a lot for this. Like our drawer was decent, but for the TV stand, I think we got really frustrated.
Yeah, it's like, it wasn't like super crazy, like complicated. It's just like a lot more, what do you call it, bolts and screws.
There's a lot more pieces.
Yeah, a lot more pieces. It was heavier and bigger, so it was just like a lot more than like what we're used to. And we're not used to like building stuff from scratch. Usually like have things already made. But the TV stand's wonderful. It looks great in the apartment. It really makes the living room look nice. And
it goes just like, it brightens it up a little bit because it's white. Mm-hmm. But you guys will see.
Yeah, but you guys see in the next few clips. So we'll show you guys right now.
Since we've moved in, is we've gotten some mirrors to kind of like, not so much decorate, but just to like fill in and just to have, before we leave the house, your outfit, you know, you need mirrors in your house. We picked up 2, one we got, and they're both from IKEA. One we got I think it's pretty popular, pretty known, and it was sold out throughout quarantine. Literally both mirrors were sold out during quarantine, so right when we saw restock, like we did with the drawers, we kind of just ran there. We drove there right away and we picked it up. We got the hovet mirror, and the other one I don't know how to pronounce. It's like Nezadil.
Yeah.
So I'll link it down below. The hovet is kind of like a full body
mirror. It's like a size of a door. It's like the mirror is the size of the door.
It's a good statement piece for your house.
Yeah, like if you like mirrors, like it's a really great mirror. Like it's one of like,
to put in like your bedroom before like you walk out. I think it'd be good if like, it's gonna be fun because if we do get a house, we could just bring it with us. It's not like we're not gonna use it. I think it's just perfect for any home.
It's nice. Like it's not like a little small mirror. It's like really big. Like I love it. I feel like it's one of my favorite things that we did purchase for the apartment that I like kind of always wanted, was like a really big mirror.
Very affordable.
Yeah, it's not like crazy. Like it's not no $1,000. It's like actually affordable. And it's just IKEA, literally like right over here. And her other mirror is really nice too. It's a little bit smaller. It's just because it is going in the bedroom. It has like a white outer layer that really matches all of her other furniture and the apartment. apartment. To be honest, I didn't want another mirror because I felt like we had too many mirrors, but
He argued with me about a mirror, saying we didn't need it. But this mirror was also only $50.
yeah, but I just like, because she was using another mirror from our, like, in my bedroom that we used to have. It was kind of like whatever mirror, like from Target. Yeah, it's whatever.
It made me look thin when I'm not even that thin.
I was just like thinking of like necessity versus like wanting, like desire, like, but at the end of the day, I feel like you can always upgrade something that you feel like you should. So if we're gonna move into a new place, you should be able to upgrade things too, which I had to understand. But we'll be going into the next few clips and I'll show you guys what the hovet mirror is. We won't show you guys the one in the bedroom because our bedroom's still a work in progress.
It's been like 4 or 5 months.
Yeah, after being here like 4 or 5 months.
Definitely gotten comfortable though, like we love it. That's why we're kind of slacking on like our updates on the apartment, but so far it's coming together. It does take a while to furnish everything, especially because we're both working and
doing other
all the
things.
holidays coming up now.
Yeah, so stay tuned for that. We do have a Christmas edition apartment slash life update. It's gonna be really nice. We're gonna have like really good footage, so make sure you guys stay tuned in for that. But we also wanted to give you guys a life update. A lot of things happened in the last 3 or 4 months. We were helping my mom move out from the house that we were living at as well into her new apartment. I'll show you guys clips of that as well. We were also having other things with family. Her brother had a gender reveal. Super excited for him. He's having a boy. Thank you.
I'm getting a nephew.
Yeah, we're finally having more boys in the family, so we're excited about that.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Say, it's a boy. It's a boy. It's a boy, Jesus.
Working, grinding, trying to get through this pandemic. Lost Visions is coming soon if you guys are waiting for that as well. As you can see,
Keeping up with his Instagram.
yeah, we're
dropping sneak peeks.
yeah, it's coming along together. So that's what I'm working on right now. More items will be dropped that I'll be select probably from the personal collection that's in my closet that I can get rid of just because I want to start just wearing my own brand and just homies brand. That's gonna be a work in progress as well because I have attachment issues when it comes to certain pieces.
Clothes.
Yeah, to clothes. I'm like, oh, I haven't worn this for forever, but like I'm gonna wear it today, kind of thing. Stay tuned for. I'm gonna be also possibly doing Twitch for the PlayStation 5. I already created it. I'll probably be putting it on the screen as well. I do play like sports games like NBA 2K and also Call of Duty. Be a variety of different things when it comes to my life. Some of it, like the brand, is gonna be taken seriously. Twitch is more for fun and YouTube's more for fun. But I hope you guys enjoy all the content that I do put out. I try to do really good content. I try to push it out as quick as I can and have it as the best quality as I can. I know it takes a lot of time consuming, so that's why sometimes my consistency is inconsistent. Just know I am thinking about doing a lot of things and trying to give you guys something to watch and something that I can put out to the world that I can look back on. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys watch the next one, which will be the unboxing of the PlayStation 5.
Hopefully by then we'll have our Christmas tree up. The rest of our Christmas decoration. We have minimal decoration already, but we'll see if we want to add more to it. Other than that, we just want to finish the bedroom. Well, I want to finish the bedroom already.
I'll finish the bedroom because it's like apartment's like a storage unit with all the products.
Boxes.
Yeah, we have hella boxes. It's my fault for the brand, but Lost Visions is coming soon. And Ryan's gonna show you guys what she did for Christmas. She went off on the decorations, so we'll see. So stay tuned. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like the video, comment down below if you like our TV stand or the mirror. If you do like what I'm putting out there, make sure you subscribe, follow us on social media, and also take a look at the Twitch. I'll be coming out soon. Appreciate you guys. Love you. Peace.